Decked here at NAFA 2025, we're showcasing our drawer system, CargoGlide combo. Our drawer system, 200 pounds per drawer, 2,000 pound payload on top of the system itself. We have our deco cases, clutch latch, slam shut. We have the stash bins, our D-ring tie downs for all the goodies that might be on top. We have our decked CargoGlide, 1,000 pound, 70% extension. Available tie down areas on the side, and our brand new CargoGlide dividers, adjustable, maneuverable, easy to use. This whole system, along with our decked toolbox, weatherproof, waterproof, dustproof, dent proof, slam shut. Get after it. We'll see you soon.